Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my channel. Here, Mr. Adi. Today, I'm going to start the Excel section of Pearson course. So, basically, in this assignment, 17 steps are given to perform this project. Let's move on. Step number one. Before starting this assignment, if you want to get 100% grade in this assignment, you have to must follow this video step by step, and you will get 100% grade in this assignment. If you want me to do this assignment, I will do this just in 20 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like ML1 Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also. And I will help you in your other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java and other courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses, and we have guaranteed that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. Let's start this assignment. So our first step is start Excel, download and open the file name exp225 chapter 5 ML1 RealEstate. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So basically in step number 1, we will, it says that go into your Pearson course and download your answer file and instruction file. Okay, so this is our instruction file. Okay, and this is our answer file. I have already downloaded it from my Pearson course. So in answer file we have two sheets. One is sale subtotal and second one is sale data. Okay, so first step is related to download your answer file and instruction file from your Pearson course. Okay, so step number 2. Step number 2 is you are about ready to subtotal the data. First, you will sort the data. So the main point is from here. We will highlight this. In the sales subtotal worksheet, sort the list by city in alphabetic order, then by selling agent in alphabetic order, and finally by listing date in chronological order. Its mean oldest to newest. So basically, in step number 2, first, we will switch the sales subtotal worksheet. Okay, it's already switched. And next, we will sort the data. We will sort the list by, and we will. So basically, in this point, we will sort the data. So first, we will sort the list by city in alphabetic order, and then we will sort the and then we will sort the data by selling agent in alphabetic order, and finally by listing date in chronological order. It's mean oldest to newest. Okay, so we will go to answer sheet and we'll just click here in any cell of this table and then go to home tab, and in editing group we will just click at sort and filter and just click at custom sort. Okay, so first we will sort the list by city in alphabetic order. Okay, sort the list by city. Okay, in alphabetic order it's mean A to Z. And next is then by selling agent in alphabetic order. Okay, just click at add level and we will add the second one is select agent, and it's also alphabetic order, and finally by listing date. Okay, finally by listing date, so we'll just click at add level and we will click at arrow and we will select the listing date, and it is oldest to newest. Okay, it's already selected. So after this we will just click at okay. So the table is sorted now. So step number 2 is done. Now step number 3. Step number 3 is you want to display subtotal for 3 columns to analyze the average. So the main point is from here. Use the subtotal tool to calculate the average selling price, percentage of asking price, and days on market by city. Ensure that summary below data checkbox is selected and then click or select OK. So basically step number 3, we will use the subtotal tool to calculate the selling price. Okay, so we will go to answer sheet. Okay, and we will click here in any cell of this table and then go to data tab and in for and in and after this we'll just click here at in forecast group we'll just click right outline and after this we'll just click right subtotal. Okay, so next is calculate the average price, average selling price, average. So we'll just select here use function average. Okay, and next is calculate the average selling price, percentage of asking price and days on market city. Okay, average selling price. So we'll select here selling price, and next is percentage of asking price. So add subtotal to average percentage of asking price, and last one is days on market by city. It's already selected days on market by city. Okay, just focus on this point by city. Okay, so we'll just select use function. Which one function? City. So here it's already average and we will at each change in city. Okay, so after this we will just click that. Okay, so step number 3 is completely done. Now step number 4. Step number 4 is next you will apply an outline so that you can collapse and expand columns. Okay, so step number 4, the main point is from here. Group the data using the outline, auto outline features, collapse the outline to hide the listing date and sale date column. Click or select the outline symbol to display the grand average and city average rows only. So basically step number 4, we will group the data using the outline feature. Okay, so first we will collapse the outline to hide listing date and sale date column. So basically in step number 4, first we will hide the listing date column and sale date column, and next I will tell you when I will done this point. So first we will select the column listing date, select this column, right click and just click at hide, and again select the column. Which one? Column sale date, right click and hide. Okay, and next is click or select the outline symbol to display the grand average and city average rows only. Okay, so we will collapse the data here. We will just collapse this. Okay, you will see in here minus sign, subscription sign. So we will just click here. Okay, go drag down, click here, again click here and click here. Okay, so we have find it that just city's name and grand average. Okay, so it's already they already told that just display the grand average and city average rows only. Okay, just check here, these are the cities and this is our grand average. Okay, so step number 4 is done. Now step number 5. Step number 5 is now you are ready to format the data and set the print area to print only a select portion of the worksheet. Okay, so the main point is from here format the average days on market as numbers with 0 decimal places. Apply wrap text in cell G1 and J1. Set a print area for the range C1 up to J88. So basically in step number 5, we will format the average days on market as number with 0 decimal places. Okay, so first we will select the range or select the column. Which one? Average days on market. Okay, average days on market, this one. Select the value. Okay, and we will format this with number and 0 decimal places. Okay, so select this range and then go to home tab, and in number group we'll just click that arrow and we will apply the number, and also we will do this 0 decimal places. I think yes, 0 decimal places. Okay, decrease decimal. Okay, just click here at 2 times. Okay, so next is apply wrap text in cell G1 and J1. Okay, so first we will select the cell G1, select this and then go to alignment group and just click that wrap text and again select the J1 column and we will apply the wrap text. So next last point of this step is set a print area for the range C1 up to J88. So we'll copy this range, okay, then go to answer sheet and we'll just click that here in name box and control V, paste this name, paste this range here and press enter. So this range is selected now, or you can select this range directly by yourself. Okay, so this range is selected and we will set the print area for this range. Okay, so we will set the print area now. So go to page layout tab and in page setup group we'll just click that print area arrow and we'll just click that set print area. So just check here, this area is printed now. So step number 5 is done now. Step number 6. Step number 6 is select individually column J, G and J and change the column width to 10. Change the row height to 24 for the first row. Okay, so basically in step number 6, we will increase the column width of column G and J. So we will select this column individually. So first we'll select the column G and we will do this width 10. Okay, right click column width and we'll do this 10 and click right OK. And next we will select the column J, right click column width and we'll do this 10 and click right OK. So next is change the row height to 24 for the first row. Okay, so we select the first row here, right click and just click that row height and we'll do this 24. After this we just click that OK. So step number 6 is done now. Step number 7. Step number 7 is pivot tables help you analyze different perspectives of data. You will create a pivot table using the sales data worksheet. Okay, so the main point is from here we will highlight this, display the sales data worksheet and create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. Okay, name the worksheet pivot table and name the pivot table average city prices. So basically in step number 7, first we will display the sale data worksheet. Okay, go to answer sheet and we will display the switch the sale data worksheet. And next is create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. Okay, and then go to answer sheet, just click here in any cell of this table and then go to insert tab and just click it and just click that recommended pivot tables. Okay, so this its all range is selected now. After this we will just click that blank pivot table. Okay, I am going to again this step. We will just click here in any cell of this table, then go to insert tab and just click that recommended pivot table. Okay, after this we will go down and we'll just click that blank pivot table. Okay, click here. So our pivot table is created at on new sheet. Okay, and name the new worksheet pivot table. Okay, so we'll copy this and we'll right click and rename and control V, or you can write, press enter. So next is name the pivot table average city prices. Okay, so we'll copy this name and we will give this name to this pivot table. Okay, just right click at this table, not in this sheet, just click here or select this table and right click and then click at pivot table options, and here you will see pivot table name. Okay, you can write or you can paste the name here. Okay, from instruction 5 you will copy this name and you will paste this name here. After this we'll just click right. Okay, so just check here, this name is appear now. So step number 7 is done. Now I have done almost 50% of this assignment. Okay, so if you want to get complete assignment, I will do this just in 20 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like ML1 Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also. So if you want to get 100% assignment, just come at my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number and email is given in the description of this video and also given in the starting of this video. So you can contact me easily. So thank you for watching this complete video. Please subscribe this channel for upcoming assignments. Once again, thank you.